Hi, and welcome to Marshie's Inspired Studio. If it's your first time, welcome. I try to give you what you need to know about your personal and business life with no frills and just keeping it real. Okay, so I have an online business, and guess what? They're calling, going, hey, I can't check it out. I've just got a white screen. Huh? A white screen? This is not good. So, you're trying to figure out, okay, is it the merchant? My merchant services, PayPal, or is it uh my website host? Well, come to find out, there's a couple of ways to solve this problem. Number one, you can solve it by refresh is a possible solution, always the easiest. The second one is try incognito. Most of us use Google Chrome. And so the problem was Google Chrome. I had my customer on the phone and she's like, no. And I'm like, what kind of device do you have? You always want to ask what kind of device because it's different for Macs than it is Android, right? And I said, are you on your computer? And she's like, yes. I said, well, try your phone. Well, it worked on her phone. So while I'm on the phone with her, I'm also with technical support going, hey, what's going on? I'm also on Chat GTP going, what's going on? So when I went to incognito in Google Chrome, it did not solve the problem. Still infamous white screen. So people can't check out. I'm testing it on my website. I can't check out. I'm going, man, this is bad. So I tried Firefox. What you can do is you can try a different browser. So what that means is if you use Google Chrome, try Firefox, right? Try Safari because those different browsers might work. The other thing is clear out your cache, right? It's where all those cookies are and you have to clear it out. That's why the step one was refresh. Step two is try incognito. Step three is uh, try a different browser because you've got the customer on the phone and you don't want to lose the sale. So what do? You've got to come up with solutions on the fly. So you have to have a little checklist. And then the other thing that you can do is reach out to technical support. Technical support luckily got back with me pretty quick after I got off the phone with the customer. And what was happening with the host service, they were updating their security features on their host, which services all of the different e-commerce sites that they work with. And they're like, oh, sorry, we're trying to get rid of bots. And because of that, we went a little too far. We've got it fixed. It shouldn't happen to you again. If I didn't have a customer tell me that there was a white screen, I might not know and I might lose thousands of dollars, right? So pay attention when a customer tells you something because guess what? 9 times out of 10, it's happened to somebody else that didn't bother to stick around or purchase. Hope this was helpful. If it was, please like, subscribe, and down below you can find my books, the links, 13 Interactive Challenges to Self-Discovery and Grandparent Memories from the Heart. Be blessed, and I'll talk to you real soon.